summer, if your windows are open, you have no peace. There's just constant noise, and I get irritated. And finally, I got irritated enough to organize this.
Yes!
Fucking ridiculous. They're so ridiculous.
I know. Thank you. I need support.
If you blow your horn, everybody disappears, right?
You know what that's like. To have cars gratuitously honking because they're frustrated, because it's traffic jam, then don't drive in New York. Positive support from drivers. They all supported people who live in New York. They say, I can't live in my apartment anymore because people are just, if it's a red light, why honk? You're not going anyplace. So it's been very positive, even though my arms are getting tired.